How to change the WhatsApp home screen wallpaper. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background image of your WhatsApp home screen. As you can see, I have WhatsApp installed on my device. If I open the app now, here is the home screen. This is not my chat screen, but the main WhatsApp home screen. I'm going to set a new background image here. Now, I will take you through the entire process step by step so you can easily change your WhatsApp home screen background. But before setting the background, ensure that the image you want to use is saved on your device. Now, next is to move to the Play Store and simply search for the app that allows the background customization. I will install an app called Design Tools for this purpose. Simply install the app and wait for the app to download, and the installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. And once you have installed the app and opened it, you will see the interface with the different option. Simply tap on the mark overlay and tap on the plus icon to add an image, and this will open up the phone gallery. Now select the image that you want on your WhatsApp home screen background. You can adjust its positions, choose landscapes or portrait mode, and tweak visibility settings to your preference. And once you're done with this, you can go to the settings and allow the necessary permissions for the app. And from there, you can scroll down to the app permissions and enable the required option. And once everything is set, you can go back to your home screen and the background image should be applied. Now you can open WhatsApp and you will see that your new background image is applied to your home screen. And that's it. That's how you can easily add and set a custom background for your WhatsApp home screen. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.